Below is a very detailed step-by-step explanation of Azilsartan Medoxamol, written in clear medical language and expanded for exam preparation, clinical understanding, and patient care relevance. Azilsartan Medoxamol, detailed explanation. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Azilsartan Medoxamol. It is a prodrug, meaning it is inactive until converted in the body. Drug class, angiotensin II receptor blocker, ARB, antihypertensive agent. Brand name Edarbi. Drug forms, oral tablets, 40 milligrams, 80 milligrams. Definition: Azilsartan Medoxamol is an oral antihypertensive medication used to lower blood pressure. After ingestion, it is converted to azilsartan, which selectively blocks angiotensin II receptors, leading to vasodilation and reduced blood pressure. 3. Mechanism of action, MOA, explained in detail. Normal physiology: the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAS, regulates blood pressure. Angiotensin II causes vasoconstriction, aldosterone release, sodium and water retention, increased blood pressure. Action of azilsartan: selectively blocks angiotensin II type 1 AT1 receptors, prevents angiotensin II from binding. Results: blood vessels relax, vasodilation, reduced aldosterone secretion, increased sodium and water excretion, reduced peripheral resistance, lowered blood pressure. Important advantage: does not increase bradykinin levels, less cough and angioedema than ACE inhibitors. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, what the body does to the drug. Absorption: rapid absorption after oral intake. Food does not significantly affect absorption. Bioavailability, approximately 60%. Conversion: prodrug is hydrolyzed in the gastrointestinal tract to active azilsartan. Distribution: highly protein-bound, 99%, widely distributed in tissues. Metabolism: minor metabolism via CYP2C9, no significant drug-drug metabolism issues. Half-life: approximately 11 hours, allows once-daily dosing. Excretion: feces 55%, urine 42%. 5. Uses azilsartan is used to control high blood pressure, reduce cardiovascular risks associated with hypertension, protect kidneys from hypertensive damage, reduce risk of stroke and heart disease. 6. Indications. Primary indication, essential primary hypertension. Clinical use, as monotherapy, in combination with thiazide diuretics, calcium channel blockers. 7. Contraindications. Azilsartan should not be used in pregnancy. Category D, fetal toxicity. Known hypersensitivity to azilsartan. Concomitant use with aliskiren in diabetic patients. Severe liver impairment, relative contraindication. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in dehydrated patients, renal artery stenosis, chronic kidney disease, heart failure, elderly patients, patients with hyperkalemia, hepatic impairment. Pregnancy warning: can cause fetal kidney failure, skull abnormalities, death. Stop immediately if pregnancy occurs. How to use: take once daily, can be taken with or without food. Take at the same time every day. Swallow whole with water. Do not crush unless advised. 10. Dosing information. Adult dosing. Initial dose, 40 milligrams once daily. Usual maintenance dose, 40 to 80 milligrams once daily. Maximum dose, 80 milligrams per day. Special populations. Volume depleted patients, start with 40 milligrams. Renal impairment, usually no dose adjustment. Pediatrics, safety not established. Number 11. Misdose and overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next scheduled dose. Never double the dose. Overdose. Symptoms: severe hypotension, dizziness, tachycardia. Treatment: supportive care, IV fluids. Dialysis is ineffective. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop or avoid azilsartan if pregnancy is confirmed, severe hypotension occurs, kidney function worsens significantly, signs of angioedema appear. Do not stop suddenly without medical advice. 13. Side effects. Common: dizziness, fatigue, headache, diarrhea. Moderate: hypotension, elevated creatinine, hyperkalemia. Serious: rare, angioedema, acute renal failure, severe hypotension. 14. Vital information, patient counseling. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Maintain hydration. Avoid potassium supplements unless prescribed. Avoid NSAIDs when possible. Inform doctor if swelling of face or lips, decreased urine output, severe dizziness, not safe in pregnancy or breastfeeding. Number 15. Other drugs that will affect azilsartan. Increased risk of side effects, potassium supplements, potassium-sparing diuretics, ACE inhibitors, lithium, toxicity risk, reduce effectiveness, increase risk, NSAIDs, renal injury, reduced BP effect. Contraindicated, aliskiren in diabetes. Key. Thank you. Have a nice day.